Welcome to Ballotpedia's Legislation Trackers homepage. Our legislation trackers are your go-to resource for staying on top of key legislative topics. They capture any bill introduced on the topic across all 50 state legislatures and track the movement of the bill every step of the way. This video guides users through the features of Ballotpedia's Administrative State Legislation Tracker, a centralized hub to help navigate the landscape of administrative state legislation across all 50 states. The Administrative State Legislation Tracker can be accessed from the landing page or by going directly to legislation.ballotpedia.org/admin-state. Ballotpedia's policy experts provide daily updates on bills and other relevant political developments and translate bill text into easy-to-digest summaries. The tracker is completely free to use and is guaranteed to be neutral, unbiased, and nonpartisan. There are two main features for exploring legislation within the tracker: bill search and overview data. Overview data shows users graphics that depict aggregate information about the bills included in the tracker, such as the current legislative status of the bills, how many bills have been introduced by states with a trifecta status, and the concentration of legislative activity by state. The bill search feature allows users to customize their search to find bills that meet certain criteria. There are several different search criteria that can be used to look up relevant bills. When looking for updates on a specific bill, users can use the bill number or keyword search criteria to quickly access information about the bill they are looking for. If users want to see the relevant bills that match certain search criteria, they can utilize any combination of other search tools found at the top of the screen. Most recent action date allows users to enter a date range and to find bills that have been acted on within that time period. Users can also filter search by state, current bill status, sponsor party, trifecta status, legislative session, or topic. Bills are organized by 10 broad topic areas with several subcategories within them. Users can either search selecting one of the broad topic areas or select a subcategory to explore. The 10 topic areas include adjudication and enforcement, agency procedure, agency structure and authority, delegation, executive authority, federalism, judicial review, occupational licensing, regulation, and regulatory review. For more information on how a topic has been defined, users can click on this link, which will direct them to the FAQ page. Users can also use the popular searches listed at the top of the page to begin their exploration. Relevant search criteria has been entered, users can click on the blue search button and view related bills in the table below. This includes the bill's number, name, state, current legislative status, most recent action date, and topics. To view more information about a particular bill, users can click on it to explore the bill's page. This page will include a summary and more information on the bill's partisanship, sponsors, and most recent action. This page will also include a link to the bill's page on Bill Track 50, which includes a full legislative history and a complete bill text. When users have finished with the search, they can also share their results with partners and collaborators by utilizing the Copy Link button, which will copy a link to the current search. If you have any further questions about using Ballotpedia's Administrative State Legislation Tracker, please visit the FAQ page or contact us at editor@ballotpedia.org, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for joining!